You should be happy that two persons can come back together and smile it off and laugh it off and just happy and start playing match again. That's what you call peace. When them do that, it left the other one finna go think for body bag nobody. But it look like you want the people them for custody and the two of them go kill themselves, man. And it is called peace and growth.
Of you guys coming every day. Go suck your mother. Suck your mother. The app is so tense where it will allow to make the app tense, and then after I make the app tense and I realize say, oh, you still tell a person you suck their mother, but you still have to play a match with them. We make kind. Like, it's so dumb.
Mix up have to go on the internet for the internet to be nice. What will the internet be without Rosalie telling Shay about her mama? What will the internet be without Damian come beat up blam them we claim say my president or Jaden we claim say him always can put up the millions of coins? What will the internet be without Vanya tell blood clot came about her Rackles? What will the internet be without two people are cussed? The internet can't always be about positivity. Majority of food followers where I go up are because of negativity. Negativity pays on the internet more than positivity. Yeah, we all read your psalms, them and upon the good way. I tell you, you're not even going to make $100 upon this or up here. Start talk about negativity. Me sure you get $1,000 USD and go about your business. So now take the mix up and make money. You stay there, okay? No, you stay.
You guys stable.
I know, what is your question?
Like,
we can't stick right here because you don't know what to say. Damian, what is your problem? What is it now? What was your question? Because we don't understand, you know.
Vanny, we don't have that topic there.
Me and the Batman need to know what you're talking about.
I don't know, Vanny. Listen, I don't know if there's a kid. Listen, you have to understand, sir. You're speaking because at the end of the day, you and Damian good. Me and him have nothing neither.
I'm from somewhere.
Exactly, but I was just asking a question and then I start.
I'm Batman.
When I have nothing to do with me. It's not a case when I come and be like, oh, who you take them? Or why you take them? I don't care who no want to take them. I just ask a simple question, fam.
What was the
question
then?
Lead to something different. Like, how all of that come up?
Oh, what was the question again?
Why the sense now when you already speak or you have to speak, then we'll go back to the question when maybe not ask.
It's AI.
Like, come on, bro. Jamaican people, and that's why you so back a bush. Like,
but what was the question? You asking him why he can't stay in his country?
Ronnie, that did.
Real to real. If somebody I gonna ask you now, what reason
okay,
big people?
Real to real, man.
Big people. If you gonna ask a man why not stay in them country, what that have to do with me or you? Him can go anywhere more and go around, you know. And if listen, and if somebody else, if me and you did up on the live and Damian asks you that question, would I stand up for you just the same as me stand up? Me would put it. May that be the same person? If me there so and Damian asks you, what if you were from Guyana and you in Jamaica? Me that stand for you the same.
Ranking. Listen, it's not a matter about where you're ranking. I don't care where you wanna rank. I don't ask Damian where you do at Jamaica. I don't ask that from. I ask a simple question.
That's why we ask one the question because it look like maybe that run joke from the
question is why Damian always in a Jamaican ranking? Then you take it and lead to something different. Him take down Brushy do this. Who the fuck? I don't care.
Okay, why do you think you need to ask the man why I'm in a Jamaica ranking?
Because I'm free for ask anything more ask.
Just like I'm free for rank anywhere more rank.
Exactly. And was it not a public speech?
You can rank China, Japan, you can rank anywhere because guess what?
Vanny,
you know why I can rank in a Jamaica?
Listen.
You know why I can rank in a Jamaica? Because Jamaica accept him for ranking in a Jamaica. The people that love Damian.
I pick up for Damian because Damian go around, Damian give everybody. Damian give me before.
It's not pick up, it's the truth.
You have to understand, say. What me I say is, why Jamaican people not have Jamaican people back? Why on the things that other country can always get a head out? You know why? Because as bad as thing them stick to each other. Uno fight out on one.
Alright, why Jamaica needs to have go back against Damian? What is Damian doing for Jamaica?
Like Uno against Uno, bro. Why not do that? Every day I wonder the same thing. When you come out and bring down each other, then 5 minutes later,
No son right here,
when you
so
play back with the same each other.
deeper than what me think.
Then why the sense of cussing each other?
Do me,
Why
me
the
tell you
sense of
truth,
every
it's
day
so
when you come and
deep.
tell each other? So come on.
Because guys, me can't understand you. You gotta ask the man why I'm in a Jamaica ranking. Because the Jamaican people them love him. We can't hate the people them for love him more. Let me tell you the truth. If it hurt that Jamaican love Guyanese more than all them love them own country, what you gonna do about that? If the people them love Damian more than me and you, what me I gonna do about that? What me I gonna do about that? If the people them choose Damian over you and choose Damian over me and give Damian more fame and support Damian, what that have to do with me and you? People can rank anywhere them want to rank. And this is not picking up for Damian, it's just spilling facts. You have to have that one person one day we are gonna just spill facts and not it's just the facts. Like if the question is what the man, you know you're gonna say Jamaican them. So what Damian do, what Jamaicans not do. If Damian disrespect people, Mr. Jaden I do the same thing. Jaden I do the same thing. Blam them I do the same thing. Aren't Blam them and Jaden Jamaicans? What them I do with Damian now do? And Jaden and Blam them worse than Damian. Because Damian only choose one who say certain things to. Blam them and Jaden say things to anybody. And them not care who you be. Them a tell it is as your face. So, if a Jamaican them love the Guyanese and love Damian, we can't do nothing about that, you know. No, at this minute, one, you put yourself in a one position now. People them they go screen record this now, they go start think different now.
What am I gonna start thinking?
Yeah, they must start praying now and think different
What am I
now.
gonna start? What am I gonna? Alright, even if I'm gonna pray me, what does that have to do with me?
Alright, see what you say? What it have to do with you? It is just like what it have to do with we if you're in a Jamaica ranking. What it have to do with
you just take one concept and you turn it to one different concept to create one animosity when not even.
It is not an animosity. Your question created an animosity.
When you're gone in something different.
No, listen. No, me be real now. From the get go, your question was what the man are doing at your the vibe where you come with where man are doing at Jamaica ranking and Jamaican people pick up for people. So basically you're saying that when maybe him at these people, Jamaicans will stick together, but instead Jamaicans stick together, them sell we out and go on Damian's side. As a big people to reading, I saw it sound like.
Is that lie though?
Okay, so how are you going to be mad at me? How are you going to be mad at me when me I give example but you spill that in a man's face?
Wait, are you looking at good name from where I try to say? Because y'all listen what y'all say and then make
Bro, you don't understand what me I say. You say all that a while ago and me say what me say, but yet still you have a problem. You say me a cause animosity. But you yourself cause an animosity when you are saying that Jamaican people now stick together and them easily for buy out. You're saying that Damian buy we out. So that is an animosity you put by yourself there. So if me come out now and I explain, but the question that you ask, me I explain and I tell you why him can rank in the Jamaican ranking, because the people them love him. And if the people them love him and him get comfortable with the people and Jamaican people give him and support him and him and Jaden a friend and them a compete more ranking, him have all right for can go in the Jamaican ranking for prove Jaden say maybe film team that bigger than film. But you're saying that just because the type of person that Damian is and because Damian is not a Jamaican, Damian buy we out and we are sell out. But if I was agreeing with what you were saying, it maybe would reach so far enough.
Van, it been a twist my statement how long? Been. I do.
If you been twist a statement when you ask the man, what kind of question that you ask the man, where man are in a Jamaican ranking?
It's not a matter. Listen, alright,
dummy. Let me ask you one question then. You want the Jamaican ranking? No. Me want the ranking? No. So is it a problem for Damian in a Jamaican ranking? You live a foreign, me live a foreign.
Alright, let me show you one simple.
What we are worried about if him got
Let me show you one simple something or mindset set. You see if Van in the number one and Damian shoot past Vanny. As bad as thing of Vanny might have said this now about Damian, she's gonna be bringing down Damian.
Never.
She's gonna be coming up with something like
Never. No
so
put them the talk in the
part.
Listen, no, me gonna pause you there, so. No put them the talk in the part. Me never me bad mind somebody for number one.
Why not be exactly you? Me just talk in general.
Oh, cause me the correct can't say no, but
bro.
you use my name as an example there, so you can't do that because you have to go say if the man shoot past me, I go cuss. So basically you're saying that if me and him a rank and he shoot past me and him a cuss him. Never. Me in a ranking, and Mr. Jaden, me in a ranking, and me the number one. And Mr. Jaden a come, and Mr. Jaden a come, me lock off my ranking, you know. Me in a ranking already, and because me and Jaden a compete more ranking, and me no want him see which part me that me turn off my ranking. Me see Rebel come past me.
Alright, watch out.
Twist come past me. Candy with me and her friend come past me.
Now, Damian a question and Vanessa answer the same question
ranking. Never.
And it was like, at Damian me ask the question, me just say it. And then the question lead to ranking, Jamaica, who we not feel that, how it lead to all of that.
Okay, so how it lead to, when you ask the question, how it lead to,
this man run joke with me every time I see him.
Guys, he might try to play smart. Yeah, the man can't rank anywhere where him run. You know, just look a bit and watch you people too much, man. You go, it's your sound very hurt because I explain something, but you can't adjust what you say. Alright, you ask a question, why did you need it to say Jamaican people them easy for buy out? Where you talk about? Alright, where are you coming from with that then? What example are you talking of? Make that clear then, because you ask one question by saying what the man are doing a Jamaica ranking. Then after you ask that question, you move on to saying that Jamaican people them easily buy out and them not stand by each other and them easily sell out. So where are you coming from when you say that? Basically you say Damian buy out the Jamaican people them, and basically you say through Damian, me don't know what Damian has shown, I couldn't eat him, so for probably you go say no, say Jamaican need to stick together. What the man do? For Jamaican need to stick up together. So the whole we need for unite and then what? Fight out there, man. Because where are you coming from when you say Jamaican them sell out? Sell out in what way? This is not even a world war. The man not do nothing more than make one song with about destiny. Like it's crazy. Like when I understand this, it just crazy. I'm gonna go away. Damian just show me one side of you. Man, you call that? Let me get three things. If I'm a bad man, you call that, you know watch a man pocket. If you're not watch a man pocket, you know watch how great the man is. How great the man is. Three things. If I'm a bad man, you call that, you know watch a man pocket. You know watch how much series the man a play. And she say, Jamaicans support the man in every series, and every series him do, him win. And not only win, but win with millions. Where we Jamaicans hardly could have blood clot reach in less than a second. I mean, I say no Jamaica do not match and reach 1 mil before the blood clot speed even come. So I understand. You can't vex